You drive a car, but you feel like flying an airplane. That's how NIO talks about their new NIO ET9 electric car set to hit the market next year, along with a powerful 707 horsepower engine and a 120 kilowatts battery. It has special suspension, and the Chinese marketers are making a big deal about it. Just take a look at the pyramid of champagne glasses on the hood. Pretty cool, isn't it? They even showed the car shaking off snow like a dog and doing a little dance during a vibration test, almost like tap dancing with its wheels. While there's not a ton of info on this special suspension, we do know the manufacturers added 4 independent hydraulic pumps, one for each wheel, along with active valve modules that respond to rod movement in just 5 milliseconds. One day, Matt Beenan showed up at a plant to get a pallet of cargo. When he opened the truck's back, he found a messy pile after cleaning up. He loaded the pet, looking at the truck's sides. He thought what a waste of space. This idea led him to start BuiltRight Industries. Now they produce storage panels based on the Muller system. They're doing well with sets for vehicles like the Ford Ranger, selling for $625. The panels made of 3.2 mm thick steel can be mounted both on the bedsides and also inside the truck. LG made the world's biggest car display with a diagonal length of 145 centimeters in many cars. It'll span from one end to the other. This screen was showcased at the CES 2024 show, and the South Korean company claimed that a new era has begun. It's quite something to be pioneers. LG also presented other displays, like a flexible 81 centimeters model that unfolds and turns into something between a tablet and a laptop. LG's creations can even be fitted into armrests and doors, considering LG started mass-producing OLED displays last year, which consume 40% less energy. This shift to a new era seems quite believable. A Prot TV camera easily goes for over $30,000. This explains why this mounting system costs over $1,000, meets Hydra, a creation from the international company Tilta. It can handle up to 100 kilograms and is remotely controlled thanks to its shock absorbers and a damping rack. It ensures a smooth picture. The improved suction cups perform well in cold weather, and even if you flip the camera, it stays put. That's how smartly designed the system is. Luckily, Hydra doesn't feed on ancient Greeks, but runs on its own battery, which lasts a solid 8 hours. For those dealing with non-heated and non-ventilated car seats, Sanctum is the solution. This American-made system fits most cars and costs $375 per seat. The manufacturer suggests checking the seat material and filling first. These units require both perforation and high-flow mesh foam to function properly. It operates based on the Peltier effect, where two materials exchange heat through an electric current. If you're unsure about Sanctum suiting your car, you can send a seat photo to the manufacturer for advice. Two American teams are making strides towards success in a straightforward way, instead of fancy innovations they're selling. Mini steps take, for instance, this folding model with 41 centimeters wide steps from Rockslide Engineering, priced to $550. You can set it up in a couple of hours and gather many likes on social media. Smittybilt Automotive is keeping up with their own invention. Their product costs only $80. They WW many hearts not just for its easy installation without drilling, but also for having built-in bottle openers. Why bother with charging stations when you can count on the sun? Install the EV Solar Kits panels on your electric car and add more than 19 km of range every day. Installing them takes just 20 minutes, and you don't need special skill, just follow the video tutorial in the next few years. American manufacturers plan to create panels for all major electric car brands. They're also tweaking the design for on-the-go charging power figures aren't exact yet, but there's a YouTube promo for a kit with a 6 kilowatts inverter and 2 kilowatts panels. This upgrade won't void the warranty since there's no need to mess with the battery management system. The Ford F-150 and other pickup trucks aren't exactly built like semi-trucks, even though fifth wheels are designed for them. And the electric F-150 Lightning can pull a 4 1/2 ton trailer. The driver of a pickup truck with a trailer faces more challenges from vibrations, rough roads and bumps compared to a truck driver. The folks at Shocker Hitches know this. That's why they offer hitches with added pneumatics. They effectively minimize vibrations, enhance smoothness, and reduce swaying making. Driving with a trailer safer, buyers can conveniently choose different mounting options and safety margins online using a user-friendly configurator. The basic fifth wheel version is rated at 5.4 tons, but there are more powerful ones at 13.6 tons. These can be purchased for around $500 to $800. We featured all sorts of Jeep upgrades in our videos, but Jeep owners seem to have cash to spare. So many among them might want to buy this roof rack, priced at $1,536. It lets you carry all kinds of things on the roof, even a snowmobile. The rack handles up to 136 kilograms of dynamic load and up to 363 kilograms of static load plus when installed. You can choose how it extends if you're curious. These roof racks are made by LOD Offroad in the USA. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.